One thing that I realized about the issue of need, or whether you want to do something because you need to do it, is that just because people have put themselves in a position where they value things that are beyond their control more than taking the initiative and having ambitions. So when it's not a matter of need, it's not important, as they say. But the truth is, yes, it is important. Whether something's important is not determined solely by whether you can avoid it or not, but also by whether it really helps you, makes your life easier, whether it's satisfying, whether you worked hard on it, whether it makes you more powerful. The other thing is, people often wait until they don't have a choice to deal with things. If you deal with your problems when it's not important, when you have your own time to plan and prepare, you'll succeed more often. The other thing is that people often see it as a sign of desperation. People take all the help they can get, take precautions, but if you do that all the time, you'll win all the time. Another thing is, people talk about how they have to do things. See, the thing is, how you get things done is not sad. The fact that you get them done is the only thing that's sad. The other thing is, you have options. You have options. You can do things on a whim. And that can be just as significant in the grand scheme of things as the thing you did by destiny. The other thing is, a lot of things you really don't need. And, that's stuff that... The other thing is, when you don't need something, there are other reasons why you should and should not have it, like whether it helps you or whether it gets in your way. The other thing is, don't worry about whether things are important. If you see something you don't know whether it's important, just check it out anyway. You don't know, it could be important until you give it a fair chance. You don't know if information is important. The other thing is, don't worry about whether you have to do a thing, because you have free will. You're a human being. You're not a robot. Your life is not scripted. You have options. And lastly, part of the Samurai Code is live by choice, not by need. Or some other things, we'll think of them later.